Visible makes switching phones straightforward, primarily through its app. The process involves three key steps: upgrading your device, moving your SIM or eSIM, and completing the setup. Device upgrades can be done through Visible, often with promotions or financing. You'll need to move your SIM card from your old phone to your new one, or activate an eSIM directly through the Visible app by scanning a QR code. Finally, the app guides you through data transfer and network activation, ensuring a seamless transition. Make sure your new phone is compatible with Verizon's network. Visible heavily favors eSIMs for phone switching, offering instant activation and reducing the need for physical SIM cards. If your phone supports eSIM, this is the quickest option. However, older devices might require a physical SIM kit. The trend is moving towards eSIM adoption, aligning with sustainability goals and simplifying international roaming. Visible is also exploring device-as-a-service models and AI-assisted setups to make switching even easier in the future. Expect more automation and potentially blockchain for secure transfers. By 2026, Visible aims for 100% eSIM, decreasing carbon footprint from shipping.